first time we have a product from Ilia here. This is the liquid powder chromatic eye tint. I've been seeing Ilia everywhere. They're like super popular right now. I love liquid eyeshadows. Got this one in the color Dim. Retails for $28. Just released matte ones as well. So first I think it was just metallics, bunch of new shades, oil free, cream formula, fragrance free, long wearing, clean at Sephora, or 2020 Best of Beauty Award winner. I'll leave this listed in the description for you. Horse chestnut flower helps visibly smooth and firm the appearance of delicate skin. Again, cruelty free. Usually like a shadow is a bit darker, not super dark, but just not that looks exactly like my skin, because then I just feel like I get washed out. This is the shade Dim. Hope it works wonderful. I've tried several liquid shadows. Some are very easy to blend, some are just terrible, they dry so quick, so that's what we're gonna test out today. Made in Italy. So this is the color. Dim is described as a gray lavender with pink purple pearl. Yes, they did say it's fragrance free. Oh, and I'll also leave a playlist of all the other shadows. Oh my god, that was so creamy. I have a full face of makeup. All I'm missing is my eyes. I'm not going to prime the eyes. I want to see how it works on its own, okay? Liquid powder sets quickly. Oh, okay. Recommended to one eye at a time. For a deeper dose of color, apply another thin layer and blend with your finger or a brush. Easy instructions, right? Alright, I see this drying. The second application, I'm gonna use a brush and see how well that works, because you see right here we look okay. This color definitely works for me. It is a bit light. I guess it would be perfect like for an everyday, right? I'm saying a super light for you. You could be saying, oh my god, that's so dark. But I do want to like blend it out higher. You could definitely use another shadow. Right now it feels completely dry. Completely dry. I'm just gonna apply it even a bit higher here so I could blend. But let me see this here. Probably not the best brush here. I'm just pushing the product up. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Gotta be careful because like they say, this is gonna set, so I'm gonna switch brushes. Okay. I'm trying not to touch this section here because I want that color intensity to stay. I don't have to blend it all the way to the top. I just feel like when I open my eye, I just leave it up to here, you can't really see it. So that's why I always blend my shadow higher. That is so pretty. Oof, it feels weird. It feels like a burning sensation. That is so weird. Am I the only one? I don't know why I feel that. I'll check again with this eye, okay? I'll do this eye faster now that I know how it works on me, but right now I feel it like it's burning. That's so weird. Maybe while it dries or something. Oof. Alright guys, I'm really like trying to hold that burning sensation. I don't know, I was not expecting that at all. It started when I started blending it with the brush. This one is already like calm, but this one, oh my god. I guess like until it dries, but oh my god, it's like really intense. I hope I'm the only one. It looks really nice. I like that you could blend it. Definitely follow the instructions that they give you. They know what they're talking about. They made the product definitely buildable. Okay, you can have it, let's say one day you want it light, you know, depends where you're going. Another day you want something darker to build it up more. It works great. I really like that I was able to blend it. I also want to see how well does a liquid liner work on top, because I use that every time I do my makeup. I gave it a couple of minutes for this to dry, but I could see like balling up a little when I was doing this, and I'm sure that's just because it's not completely dry. It worked well, like the liner looks really nice, super dark. So if you were to leave it like that without applying falsies, this is what it would look like. Completely dry. Completely dry. Apply my falsies and I'll show you the finished look. I hope you enjoyed. I'll leave everything listed in the description. Would I recommend? I don't know, it depends. If you have sensitive eyes, I don't know if the same thing's gonna happen to you. Let me know if any of you have heard or if it has happened to you, the burning sensation in the eyes. But besides that, the product does work really well and I really liked it. Of course, check the comments. I'll let you know if maybe for any reason it like creased or anything. I will let you know. I do have oily eyelids, and remember, I did not prime, so check the comments. Bye.